Making multiplication fun. A journey through mixed numbers. Hello, friends. In today's video, we will take a fascinating journey into the world of English numbers and their practical uses, specifically in multiplication. We will focus our attention on multiplying mixed numbers, a topic that will not only enhance your English skills but also give you a wonderful grasp of basic mathematical concepts. Mixed numbers are a special kind of number that you can find in English. A mixed number consists of a whole number and a fraction combined. For example, 2.5 is a mixed number. It represents 2.5. Before we dive into multiplication, it's important to understand how to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator, the top number, is greater than or equal to the denominator, the bottom number. For instance, the mixed number 2.5 can be converted into an improper fraction, 5/2. Here's how. 1. Multiply the whole number by the denominator of the fraction. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2. Add the result to the numerator of the fraction. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 3. Write the result over the denominator. 5/2. Now you have converted 2.5 into an improper fraction, 5/2. Now, on to the main event, multiplying mixed numbers. Let's say you want to multiply 2.5 by 1⅓. Here's how you do it. 1. Convert both mixed numbers into improper fractions. 2.5 becomes 5/2 and 1⅓ becomes 4/3. 2. Multiply the numerators together to get a new numerator. 5 times 4 equals 20. 3. Multiply the denominators together to get a new denominator. 2 times 3 equals 6. 4. Write the new fraction. 26ths. 5. Simplify the fraction if possible. 26ths simplifies to 10/3 or 3⅓ as a mixed number. That's it. You have successfully multiplied two mixed numbers and simplified the result. Well, wasn't that fun? We've gone from understanding mixed numbers to confidently multiplying them. Hopefully, this video has made your journey in learning English numbers, specifically mixed numbers, more enjoyable and practical. Remember, practice is key. So, try multiplying mixed numbers yourself using these steps. Until next time, happy learning!